Lesson: Legal implications of smart contracts. The legal implications of smart contracts are a pivotal consideration in the field of blockchain technology and AI. Smart contracts, essentially self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code, promise to revolutionize the way transactions are conducted by providing efficiency, transparency, and security. However, their integration into legal frameworks presents complex challenges that professionals must navigate with acumen. Smart contracts operate on blockchain technology, ensuring that they are immutable and decentralized. The legal enforceability of smart contracts is one of the primary concerns for stakeholders. Traditional contracts are governed by legal principles that have been established over centuries, including offer, acceptance, and consideration. Smart contracts, on the other hand, execute automatically when predefined conditions are met, raising questions about whether they meet these traditional legal criteria. For instance, the concept of offer and acceptance may be straightforward in a traditional contract, but becomes complex in the context of smart contracts, where the terms are pre-programmed and execution is automated. The enforceability of smart contracts largely depends on the jurisdiction in which they are implemented. Different legal systems have varying levels of acceptance and understanding of blockchain technology. Some jurisdictions may recognize smart contracts as legally binding, while others may not, leading to potential legal disputes. For example, in the United States, the state of Arizona has passed legislation recognizing smart contracts as legally enforceable, which sets a precedent for other jurisdictions. Professionals working with smart contracts must be aware of these jurisdictional differences and ensure compliance with local laws to avoid legal pitfalls. Another significant legal implication of smart contracts is the question of liability. Since smart contracts are self-executing, determining liability in the event of a malfunction or breach can be challenging. Traditional contracts allow for human intervention and negotiation in the event of a breach, whereas smart contracts might not have this flexibility. If a smart contract executes incorrectly due to a bug in the code, it can result in unintended consequences. In such cases, it is crucial to determine who is liable: the developer who wrote the code, the parties involved in the contract, or the platform hosting the contract. Legal frameworks must evolve to address these issues, and professionals are advised to include clauses in smart contracts that specify liability and dispute resolution mechanisms. To mitigate the risks associated with smart contracts, professionals can employ practical tools and frameworks. One such tool is formal verification, which involves mathematically proving the correctness of the smart contract code before deployment. Formal verification can help identify and rectify potential errors, reducing the risk of execution failures. Additionally, professionals should consider implementing an audit process where smart contracts are reviewed by third-party experts to ensure compliance with legal standards and best practices. These steps not only enhance the reliability of smart contracts, but also contribute to their legal acceptability. Moreover, professionals must stay informed about emerging legal standards and frameworks related to smart contracts. The International Association for Trusted Blockchain Applications is one such organization that works towards establishing global standards for blockchain technology. By participating in such initiatives, professionals can gain insights into the latest regulatory developments and contribute to shaping the legal landscape for smart contracts. Case studies provide valuable lessons on the legal implications of smart contracts. The 2016 DAO hack is a prominent example. The DAO, a smart contract-based investment fund, was exploited due to a vulnerability in its code, leading to the loss of $60 million worth of cryptocurrency. This incident highlighted the importance of robust code auditing and the need for legal frameworks to address such vulnerabilities. It also demonstrated the potential for hard forks, as seen with Ethereum's decision to reverse the transaction, which raised further legal and ethical questions regarding the immutability of blockchain transactions. In addition to technical and legal considerations, ethical implications must also be taken into account. Smart contracts, like traditional contracts, must adhere to ethical standards, ensuring fairness and transparency. Professionals must be vigilant about potential biases in the code that could lead to unfair outcomes. For instance, if a smart contract is used for credit scoring, it should not discriminate against individuals based on race, gender, or other protected characteristics. Implementing ethical guidelines and conducting regular audits can help ensure that smart contracts operate fairly and ethically. The integration of artificial intelligence with smart contracts further complicates the legal landscape. AI can enhance the functionality of smart contracts by enabling them to adapt to changing circumstances and make complex decisions. However, this also raises new legal questions about accountability and control. For example, if an AI-driven smart contract makes a decision that leads to a breach, determining liability becomes even more complex. Professionals must consider these implications and establish clear guidelines for the use of AI in smart contracts. Ultimately, the legal implications of smart contracts are multifaceted, encompassing issues of enforceability, liability, and ethics. Professionals in the field must adopt a proactive approach, utilizing practical tools and frameworks to navigate these challenges. By staying informed about legal developments, participating in standard-setting initiatives, and implementing robust auditing and verification processes, professionals can enhance the reliability and acceptability of smart contracts. Real-world case studies, such as the DAO hack, provide important lessons that underscore the importance of addressing both technical and legal aspects. The evolving nature of blockchain technology and AI requires continuous adaptation and learning. As legal frameworks develop to accommodate smart contracts, professionals must remain agile and informed, ensuring that they are equipped to address the complexities of this innovative technology. By doing so, they can unlock the full potential of smart contracts while minimizing legal risks and ensuring compliance with emerging regulations.